For those of you that actually watched my last upload, which is the video before the video that you're actually seeing now, you will know that I took home a 2020 Duramax diesel engine. Listen, I'm gonna give y'all my honest review on it, but if you watched my last video, then pretty much you know that I loved it. But before I get into this review, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Turn on all post notifications so you can get notified every time I upload, which is usually Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 6:30. Like I said, subscribe to my channel. It costs nothing to subscribe. It costs nothing to hit that button. It costs nothing to hit that bell. Drop an emoji. I don't know what color emoji. Continue dropping your green emoji. And when the video is over, come back and leave an extra comment on what y'all think I should do. Should I get it? Should I wait? I'd like to know y'all opinions down below in the comment section. And once again, if you ain't subscribed already, then stop playing with slime. And also, go to slimepack.store to get y'all some of that slime pack. So we're gonna start with this review on the outside of the truck. As you can see, as I mentioned in the last video, it is very aggressive. Look at the front end. It's still got some bugs on it because, you know, I've been driving it. I'm not about to wash it because I'm getting ready to go turn it back in. But the towing hooks already, it's so many cameras on here. Whenever I jump in the car, I'm gonna show y'all all the camera angles. You see, it has the lights up here at the top, big mirrors, the step boards. But the outside, I love everything about it. It's very aggressive. You know, if I was to have this, it's gotta have bigger tires, wider tires, and some black wheels. Too much chrome going on. The lights on this truck, I'm gonna show y'all a nighttime view of the lights. It's not the best video, but I'm gonna show y'all. The lights look so good. It complements the truck very well at nighttime. I kind of got them turned on now. You can tell a little bit. These top lights are on. And also, these right here lights up. They're like an amber looking. Also, y'all can't really see it, but it do have the sunroof. I got the sunroof vented right now. The bed of the truck is very clean. Got the lights back there. That's a big pipe, but listen, it don't make no noise at all. So we're about to head on into the inside of the truck. You know, for some of you that can't really step up in, you know, you can grab this right here, help you lift up. And the view from sitting up this high is amazing. I don't know if you can see it, but try to zoom in. You can see that 0 and that southwest sign on right up in here. That's the heads up display. That right there, sometimes it'll show you the speed limit sign, of course your speed, and where you're at. The interior of this truck is, I love it. It has leather seats. The armrest is leather. You got space right there to put your phone. 2 cup holders right here. 2 more cup holders. Also, this big compartment right here. And this right here will charge your phone. Let me see, can I grab my phone? Well, my phone is up there. I'm still gonna show y'all. But this right here allows you to charge your phone. You got so many gadgets to play around with. It's kind of like endless, but I'm about to show y'all some of the different cameras on here, and it's like a real good safety feature. So we're gonna go here to camera. You can see the different camera views. Zoom in to the front, just around the sides. It's just so much, y'all. There's cameras everywhere on this truck. Another safety feature I like is, let's say you're driving down the road and you use the ease off outside of the lines of the road. Your seat will vibrate on whichever side that you're out of line on. Let's say you ease off on the right side of the road. Your seat will vibrate on the right side at the bottom. And you do it on the left side, the same thing will happen. So right here you have your different controls, your different modes. This right here is your four-wheel drive. This right here is the four-wheel drive regular. The down arrow is four-wheel and neutral, and you know, the two-wheel regular, you know, auto. I think auto is actually four-wheel, as you can see right up there on the screen. I'm about to switch it to two-wheel so y'all can see. With the two-wheel, you can see that the top two wheels are not lighting up, so we're gonna put it back in auto. Auto is the four-wheel drive. So now we're about to head to the back seat. But first, oh, look at the sunroof. Right here, you can see you got your tilt button and your slide button. You know, the tilt is, you know, have it vented a little bit. Slide is to open it all the way up. Oh, memory seats. The car have memory seats. They have two options that you can save for it. Let me vent this back. Yeah, we're about to jump into the back seat. This is the back seat. It is very spacious, as you can see. Right here you got so many USB ports. I meant to show y'all this from the front seat, but this back window in the middle, it opens up. Put your drinks down right here. These seats are very comfortable. Also, this right here opens to a little storage compartment, and it does the same thing on the other side. If y'all looking into getting one of these trucks, or actually this one, they have it at CarMax for sale for, they have it listed for $79,000. I don't think it's worth no $79,000. I'm hopefully sure that you can negotiate a price. But if y'all do, make sure y'all ask for Willie. He will do the best to help you out, and let him know that Slime Pack sent y'all. So y'all, please let me know down below in the comment section, is this something that you can see me in, or is it something that you can see you in? And of course, this is the hot country, just in case I didn't tell y'all that. So back here at CarMax, about to drop the truck off, do my final walk around to make sure everything looks good the way I left it, so they won't try to say I did any kind of damage. I love the test drive, but I'm ready to get back in Slime 2.0 and hear that cold start and hear some exhaust sounds. So here go my baby. I need to do a walk around in my car, make sure, you know, ain't no damage get done here. But definitely want to hear that cold start first. It ain't cold out here, but y'all get what I'm saying. right now I'm about to head back inside of CarMax and turn these keys in and get back in my baby. So that was pretty simple, straightforward. All I did was just turn in the keys, and I gotta leave this truck. Yeah, I'm back.
Goddamn work. Yo, give me on the hood of that motherfucker, man. Give me at least 10 racks. That motherfucker, man. No! What the fuck? I'm about to get on the hood, bro.
Nah.
I gotta get on the hood, bro. What a scat? She traded in. No, the